Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to restrict access to the task manager using the registry editor to prevent unauthorized users from any critical processes or tampering with system settings. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, this is Sakes Infotech where we simplify tech for you. Please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to restrict access to the task manager, let me show you something quick, okay? If I right click on the task bar, you can see the task manager from here, okay? If I click on it, I'll get access to the task manager, okay? And also if I click on the search and type task manager, I can still get a task manager from here, okay? And I can still use the shortcut to get access to the task manager. So now we are going to restrict access to the task manager. So to do that, I'm going to click on the search and I'm going to type registry, okay? So now we are going to run the registry with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. Then I'll allow these apps to make changes by clicking on yes, okay? So now we are going to navigate to HKey current user and then we expand software. And then we scroll down, okay, and then we expand Microsoft. So we scroll down and then we expand Windows, okay, and then we expand CurrentVersion. So we scroll down to policies and then we expand policies, okay. So now we are going to create a key in the policy. So to do that, I'm going to right click on the policies, then I'll go to new and then key, okay. So I'm going to name the key system, okay, then I'll press on the enter key. Now we are going to create a DWORD in the system, okay. So I'm going to right click on an empty space at the right pane, then I'll go to new, then I go to DWORD 32-bit, okay. So now I'm going to name my DWORD DisableTaskMgr, okay, for task manager. Then I'll press on the enter key. So if you have any question, you can leave it at the comment section and let me know what topic you want me to treat next, okay. So now we are going to double click on the DWORD on the disable task manager and then we are going to change the value from 0 to 1, okay. And then we click on OK. So now let me close the registry and then we demonstrate the outcome, okay. So now if I right click on the task bar, you see we don't have the task manager here again, okay. And also if I go to the search, then I type task manager, we have it here. But the moment I click on it, we get access denied by your system administrator, okay. So this is how to disable the task manager by using the registry. So if you want to re-enable it, you will go back to the registry, okay. So I'm going to click on yes. So to re-enable it, we are going to double click on the disable task manager and then we change the value from 1 to 0, okay, and then we click on the OK button. So now if I close the registry and we go back to the task bar and right click on it, now you see we have the task manager, okay. I can access the task manager from here again. And if I go to the search and click on the task manager, I can still access it, okay. So this is how to disable or prevent access and also allow access to the task manager using the registry. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.